Good morning, guys. Welcome to the shop. So on this episode, I want to try to get this dash panel ready. And what I've got to do is fill some holes. So I'll be stripping all the paint off of it, but initially, just to get these patched, I'm gonna grind those down, sand them down. I'm gonna take out this radio area there, and then where the grab bar was installed, this side over here won't fit because that's where that sport bar ties in. So I got to do away with that grab bar, but I've got another solution for that. So stay with me. I'm gonna get those areas stripped down and get these holes welded in and get this thing ready for primer and paint. Alrighty. Alright guys, so there that is. That went pretty well. I'll do these off camera and I'll bring you back when I'm done with them. Those are a little easier. But yeah, that went pretty well. I mean, I'm still gonna have to smooth it out and probably put some filler in there, but that's what it is, right? All right, so let me get the others done and we'll see how it turns out. All right, guys, there it is. That turned out pretty good. It'll still have to be body work. I think one of the holes was there and the other one was right there. And then 2 holes right there. So I've got it stripped. I'm gonna go ahead and treat it with some acid etch because I'm not gonna be able to spray it today. I'm gonna wait until I do the body, and I'll just do this when I put the inside of the tub in epoxy. I'll just spray this at that same time. So yeah, there it is. It's going to be a short video, but thank you for coming with me on this one, and God bless you. And I'll see you next time.